Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Rahul, and today we are going to see uh, the different sketch features of the Siemens Nx software. Okay, so let's get on to the software first. Open your Nx software and click on the menu, and then click on the insert. Click on the sketch in task environment. Okay, so this is the next playlist of the Nx software which I am creating, already created for parametric and Zukin software, some commands on AutoCAD and focusing on the Nx software. So just get with me. Okay, so now just click on this parameter mode. Okay, so here are some sketch command. It's called ribbon, and we saw profile rectangle line command. Now arc also we saw in next, not in the previous video. So today we are going to see this circle command. Okay, so click on the circle. It's too easy, just we have to select the center point of the circle. I will select the circle point, and here like this I can draw the circle. Okay, now just click on the parametric, and now this has the diameter. Click on the circle. Okay, this is the next circle. Click, draw the circle like this. Okay, press escape. Now command has closed. Now here you can see the Nx has a very beautiful feature like automatic dimensioning. So here is 72.3 millimeter of diameter. Double click on this, then you can edit the radius of this circle. Okay, I will make 100 and place enter. Okay, and then here, okay, this is the dimension or diameter of the another circle. I would like to make 100. Okay, like this. Now you can change or dimension position or adjust the dimension like this, whether inside or outside, whether as you wanted. Okay, for better clarification you can do this. Press escape. Okay, so all about this how to draw circle, it's too easy command in okay, these are the basic commands or the basic sketch commands. So I am going to make video on that because I've just started the playlist, and we'll cover one by one command all the features of this Nx software. Okay, so kindly subscribe the channel, it's my humble request to you. Okay,